Hello friends, today I am going to talk about a very beautiful homeopathic remedy, a medicine par excellence for the cases of dysentery. So if you have the symptoms which I am going to tell you, then you can use this remedy and you will see beautiful results of homeopathic medicine. So let's start its symptoms. There will be emaciation, prostration, weakness due to loss of appetite, and there will be a emaciation, loss of weight, a bitter taste in the mouth with dryness, and white coated tongue. There will we also see there is a gripping colic, the pain in the abdomen around the navel, umbilicus region. And then we also see the frequent stool. There is a heat and pain in the rectum which persists after the stool. So if you see on the whole, the symptoms are prostration, emaciation, loss of appetite, loss of weight, and gripping colic with diarrhea and dysentery. The stool is full of mucus mixed with little blood, and there will be heat and pain in the rectum. So these are few symptoms which you have to remember. The name of the remedy is Kurchi, Holarrhena Antidysenterica. You can use this remedy in 3x potency. It is very beautiful homeopathic remedy and it gives beautiful results. So this was the remedy for today. Thank you.